Hi Dick, good day to you. So the dashboard is complete, and I do have few things that we might have to, kind of discuss on the clarity part of it. So we'll catch up shortly on what's needed. So this is the dashboard that I've given, and so you can see here, based on the data and the requirements what's shared here, I have kind of updated this particular information. So it's a pretty dynamic dashboard. For example, let's say you wanted to go ahead and look for a specific property. If you click on it, all your numbers, all your charts, every single one of them will automatically get kind of updated. So you can see here. So that's pretty much where we are. And it's the same case with the month here as well, and some of these you can see that we do have month split. So when you select that, it'll make sense, like uh, it'll show only for that month, and if you wanted, like, two information, it'll still show that. So all your numbers, every single one of them, what do you see here is like kind of dynamic, and basically this particular information, when you have like new data, what you do is, like, you click on refresh all the charts, every single number, everything will be automatically refreshed, just a click or two. And all of these are put under this pivot, and you can see it may look very sedum, like, bit cluttered, but if you see it in a bigger monitor, it'll make sense to what it is. The reason why I had to give like a little bit of gaps in between is some of these would expand, so I had to give a little bit of buffer in order for this to be done. And some of so starting with the first thing, NOI, I have got that one here, and then we wanted the net income. I have got that here as well. So basically, that's just the income that I'm actually selecting in the type information. So that's where we are. So you can see it's selected. And for this particular section, this full section, even actually I'll put a little bit of border, maybe, so that you'll be aware of it. So this full section is, operating income. I wasn't very clear about which will be the operating income, so I understand that the type will be the income, and then you have some of these in the subcategories as well. So if you want to go ahead and select deselect any one of them, for example, late fees seems to be in not an income, like an expense it is. So generally when you click on this, and if you go ahead and select the ones off, so they will just get removed, and so on. So for example, all of these, and the chart will automatically get updated here. Basically, I think the negatives will all go away, but I wasn't very sure about what to select here, so I have given that option here. So let me know if once you select, it will automatically get updated in the dashboard. Yeah, and same with the operating expense. I would believe it's just the opposite of this one, and I have already selected the expense in the type category. So this full section, okay, is that. So it's like these things actually feed this particular information, like this one and so on. So this full thing, and the next thing, this one gets fed here. So that is how it is. Again, please go ahead and select what's needed, and everything right here. So I'll just put this down so that you'll have a better view of what you want to deselect. So that's that, and so that's that. And with respect to the capex, that's still here. Again, for capex, I selected the capex, and if there are anything that you wanted to specifically deselect, you may do so. That's entirely possible. And information what you see here, like the net income, I think this one is the capex. One moment. Probably put that. No, that's right. So this section in the capex, if you want, I can actually add few charts at the bottom, but I think only these are the ones which get incurred. So that's your capex, and these two are the ones I see here. So basically on month, and this. So The next thing, I think almost all of this first line is all good, but for the cash balance, account balance, and this full section, okay, I wasn't very sure I wasn't sure what to actually select in the dashboard. Like, I see, I'm not sure, for almost everything I've selected this. And of course, NOI is this. So I wanted to know what to literally select for that particular information. So I need your help setting this up. For account payable, let me know what categories I need to select, and so on. For the budget, actual versus thing, I go back here, and if I go ahead and select, say, a rental, okay, I don't see any budget here, so I wanted to be a bit. I wasn't very clear on what to literally select, so please let me know how do you want that to be updated. So that's another thing that I wanted to check with you. So once you update, I'll go ahead and update, or add those things at the bottom, and I'll share it to you. The way how it is built right now, it's set to work both on 14-inch or a bigger monitor. All you need to do is adjust your zoom level to fit how it is. So if you want to use it on a laptop or a Mac Pro, you'll still be able to do that. And for this one, I haven't actually programmed it, but I will do it once you confirm it. And yeah, thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye bye.